our fluency. So Henrietta made the given diagram while solving a problem. We're going to first write an equation that fits this diagram. So if we take a look at this, it's showing that this box and this box, when you put them together, they're the same length as this bottom box. Ooh. So if we take a closer look at that, what does that really mean that we can do with these? So if we take a look at this box and this box, if you put them together, they equal this length. So what if we added 18 and 1600ths plus that x is going to equal the 42 and 9500ths. Whoa! That wasn't too bad. It was just a picture that we had to make an equation for. Remember, an equation is going to have an equal sign. Equation. Now we need to figure out, well, what's the value of that x? So how much is this x? What do you think we're going to do? We can set this up how we've been doing. You might say, oh, let's just subtract 42 and 9500ths minus 18 1600ths. You're correct. If we do set this up, we would need to get x by itself, and the opposite of adding 18 and 1600ths is subtracting. So all we're going to do is subtract. So I'm going to do it over here. So 42 and 9500ths. Yes, we have to line up our decimals. 18 and 1600ths. 5 minus 6, you cannot do. The 9 becomes an 8 to make that 5 a 15. 15 minus 6 is going to be 9. 8 minus 1 is 7. Drop that decimal like it's hot. 2 minus 8 we cannot do. So 4 becomes a 3. 2 becomes a 1. 2 a 12. 12 minus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's going to be 4. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So our value of x is going to be 24 and 7900ths. And that's it for our fluency. It looked harder than what it was. Great job.